thank you so much for being here today and this incredible support.
I want to say thank you to everyone that has helped us, that has supported us in fighting this, and we will continue fighting for Kilmar, for my husband. Thank you. Le quiero dar gracias a todos los que nos han apoyado y vamos a seguir continuando esta lucha para traer a mi esposo de regreso. Gracias.
Gracias.
Judge Zinnes granted the preliminary injunction and ordered that Kilmar Albrego Garcia be brought back to the United States by 11:59 p.m. on Monday. She found that the government did not dispute that there was no legal basis whatsoever for his deportation. She found that the government's arguments that she was powerless to order him brought back to the United States were without legal merit. And she found that he was suffering irreparable harm with every day that goes by while he's separated from his family and while he's detained under such harsh conditions in the infamous CCOT prison. I mean, they've had well more than 24 hours. We filed this case on Monday of last week.
What if he is not returned by that point in time? What happens next?
The government has, right, so at this point, I have every hope that they will not choose the route of appeal. Plenty of tweets, plenty of White House press conferences, but no actual steps with the government of El Salvador to take it right, no actual steps to bring him back, and no actual steps to even communicate or provide documents to the lawyer who they sent into court to defend their actions. And so the judge found that the record was sufficiently clear that there is an agreement with the government of El Salvador, and that pursuant to that agreement, Mr. Albrego Garcia is being detained. He's not being detained based on any Salvadoran legal process, but rather he's being detained because the United States government has requested that he be detained. And so for that reason, she found that the defendants do have the ability to bring him back to the United States, and she ordered it. They should simply obey the judge's order, bring him back to the United States by Monday. No vamos a rendir, no vamos a dejar que the government conceded that this case has nothing to do with the Alien Enemies Act. And the government also conceded that Title 8 did not authorize their removal of him. Essentially, they agreed from the outset that there was no legal basis to remove him.
Could you provide a statement?
All of the attention that's been brought to Kilmar's case, that this type of mistake is not going to happen again. La jueza ordenó el día de hoy que el gobierno de Estados Unidos traiga a Kilmer de nuevo a los Estados Unidos al más tardar 11:59 de la noche el día lunes. Entonces, ahora está en manos del gobierno de decidir qué es lo que van a hacer cumplir con esta orden, que es lo que todos esperamos, que simplemente dejen así y cumplan con la orden y lo traen aquí este fin de semana o al más tardar lunes. Pero tiene la opción legal de apelar a una corte más alto.
America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crowned thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea, and mercy more than life. America, America, God shed His grace on thee.
Yeah, so I'm wondering his personal skill is actually.
Yeah, if I can whip that.
I said a lot. She's getting ready. No, she's getting, it's a, she's, yeah.
This is what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.